So try this. Para, 1 per hand. Diddle, diddle, 2 per hand. Paradiddle-diddle, one of the nicest rudiments you can learn to play. Paradiddle-diddle. Try it on your hi-hat first to try and create the sound. Repeat and speak over and over and over until you get the rhythm or the pattern into the head. Paradiddle-diddle, 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 pa. Once you could do that without speaking, now try chase the sound. Try and create pianissimo, pianissimo to be very, very quiet, to forte, and start swinging the right hand. Then take the left hand onto the snare drum, in my case, because I'm right-handed, do the same thing. Then you can start to create a downbeat and a backbeat on the bass drum and the snare drum. So you drop it onto there. So again. And then have fun with it. And you're going to accent away like mad on the hi-hats to really draw out that feel. And you go as fast as you want or whatever, but rhythm first, rhythm first. Ha-ha! 1 minute video, but you had longer than a minute, so it's a bonus. Follow us, subscribe and that, because we'll be doing longer videos explaining in much more detail of lots of fun things. Make your patterns rhythmic, make them nice, just don't do them just for the sake of them. Try and create a feel so that you sound good within music. It's all about music. See you soon.